What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have this colorful rainbow pride inspired look. If you guys would like to learn how I created this look, then go ahead and keep on watching. Alright, to start this beautiful look, I will be taking my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and this would just be my base for my eyeshadows. I will be starting off with this yellow eyeshadow and place it in one of my eyes, and it will be in the inner corners. Next, I will take in the orange color and placing this right next to the yellow. Next to the orange, I will be applying this beautiful pink shade. And then I will be placing the red eyeshadow next to the pink, and I'm kind of like dragging it upwards. Like you guys can tell, at first I just place all the eyeshadows where I want the color to be. That was my main focus, just placing each color where I wanted it to be. And here I'm just going back and blending all of the eyeshadows, because of course we want this eyeshadow look to look nice and blended. Moving on, I am doing the same thing to the next eye. I'm just using my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk as a base, but this time I am starting off with this bright green color in my inner corners. Next, I'm taking this beautiful turquoise color and placing it next to the green. Then I am taking this dark blue eyeshadow, and finally I am taking the purple shade and placing it in the outer corner and just blending all of the colors once again. This makeup look was actually a collab with a beautiful girl named Denisse. I will have all her links down below so you guys can go and check her out. She is such a beautiful girl, and her makeup, it's amazing. And here I will be just creating a half cut crease using, of course, the Shape Tape concealer, but this time I'm using it in a lighter color. The reason I did that is because I wanted the cut crease to be white, and I thought that the lighter concealer was just gonna make it easier for me to achieve that white cut crease that I was going for. I was actually using the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette, but the white shade on there was like a shimmery white shade, so I decided to go with the Morphe 35B, I think that's what it is, and I'm just using the white shade on there because that one is a matte white shade, and I think it was just gonna make the look better, because later on I will be adding some glitter, and I thought that it was just gonna make the glitter pop even more because all the eyeshadows are matte. Here I'm just adding more eyeshadow, basically just to blend the concealer that I just applied with the eyeshadows, and I'm just applying the eyeshadows like I did before, just the same colors. Whenever I create a rainbow look, I always try to use the same brush for every color. I don't know, it works for me. This time I try to use a different brush for every eyeshadow in the first eye, but then on the second eye I just decided to go for what I know of what I like, which is the same brush for every color. I just clean it up a little bit and move on to the next color. I just feel like it makes the blending a lot better for me. I don't know, I just like it. And like I told you guys, I will be adding a glitter, and I'm using the Urban Decay Heavy Metal in the color Pyro, and basically I'm just taking the glitter and just creating a line right on my cut crease. Moving on, I am taking the gel eyeliner that I received in May's BoxyCharm. If you guys watch my video, you guys know that I love that eyeliner. It is so creamy and so easy to work with. I love that eyeliner. If you guys didn't watch my video, go ahead and check it out. And moving on to my bottom eyelash, I am basically just doing the same thing that I did on top, just going with the same colors and just blend it out, and that's it. And for my waterline, I am using a white eyeliner. Here I'm just adding some mascara to my bottom eyelash, and then also adding a liquid eyeliner on top of my eyelashes just so I can hide the glue. Now it's time for the fun part. Now I will be applying the little rhinestones. Here I apply some in the inner corners, and I am applying this to my forehead. And then I got the rhinestones that are like a rainbow colors too. And basically I just applied the same colors that are on my eyes on top of my eyebrows. And yeah, that's what I did with the rhinestones. I also applied some rhinestones in the bottom eyelash, like right in the middle, and I also applied some tiny ones on my eyelids, like right next to the glitter that you guys can see right here. And this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Also leave me a comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and that's it. Thank you so much for watching.
Chances are you're sitting here in this bar, 'cause he ain't gonna treat you